Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A50. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on More and then click on Settings. Now click on Google Assistant and here click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here on Hey Google and then click on Next. Now click I agree and click Continue. Now click on Voice Model and click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now click Finish and then you can click back and click back again and now click on lock screen and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.